Sawmill day, getting everything all set up. Bobcat, father-in-law is busting up the bed pallet out there, getting ready to start setting those up. Millhead just ready to go, and this is the first base piece, just getting the feet all assembled. Getting the feet all assembled here. Step one, sort through this bag of shit, and then time to rock and roll. Well, ta-da! Wood miser set up. First victim on the bed. A little bit of hard maple. First boards I ever milled on this thing. And my first mistake, broken blade. Gotta learn the hard way, because I'm kind of slow. Hello, and welcome back. This week, we've done a little bit of work trying to reclaim our bridge. You can see over here, flip you around, our beaver dam. I've kind of broken a hole in it. Water levels come down quite a bit. I'll go over and show you what the bridge is looking like. And it's magical. All these hemlock trees, nothing grows underneath of them. Beautiful, soft forest floor, old growth. You can walk around here barefoot. It's one of my favorite places on the property. And then our still currently pier, dock, whatever you want to call it, is getting better. So we can almost get across here again. I got to come down about another, I don't know, foot or so. And then this will all dry out and I'll have back down to the old creek bed. So I'll just keep knocking down the dam, and it'll just be a continuous fight with them being the beach to reclaim this little section and to be able to get to the other 20 or so acres of our property. Oh God, I want to get over there and walk around. Oh. But for today, we're clearing trees, we're brush hogging the field, and now we're just, we got to get to work. So here we go. Time to work. What you saw me milling last was a couple of ash logs. So they're going to become cribbing that we're going to use to lift up a cabin over there. This guy right here is a silver maple. I got a whole pile of it that you saw me grabbing this video, and that is all going to, this one especially, and another one like it, is going to become the main beam that we're going to use to lift up with the cribbing that cabin, so we can get a trailer under it and then move it over to this spot right over here, and it will become our garden slash sawmill slash field activities shed. So we're going to keep trucking on that. We got more land to clear. Thanks for following along. We'll see you on the next video. Really appreciate having you along.